How to copy Rednote profile link. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Rednote application. Then, from your bottom right corner, go to your profile icon. Now your profile will appear over here. In order to share your profile link, on your top right corner you will see a share icon, arrow. Tap on it. Now simply tap on copy link and the link to your account will be copied to your clipboard. You can simply send the link to your friends whom you want to add to your Rednote account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.